Say you want me, say you need me all the time, all the time. Lately, I've been crazy.
And that's.
What is that?
I think it's a maybe what do you call them?
Quite big.
Yeah, who big and why is he green? They're not like green usually. And red head looks exotic. I saw this guy before here looking for worm. I think. Interesting. Why is he green though?
부끄러워?
Can you do that?
Me? Of course I cannot. I don't want to touch there.
You need something there. Touch it.
아 싫어.
You cannot. Scaredy cat. Hee hee. You cannot.
I don't feel offended. You felt. I can see this web here so much. Boom, 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 boom.
Closer to the tree. And then jump. Are you that small? Cannot jump higher?
I cannot.
Yeah, they're a little bit loose.
Is it like we can visit there?
Well, can you give me maybe... Mama! Mama! You cannot because you're holding a mattress, right?
I think. Oh yeah, I cannot.
Мама! Принеси мне тряпку, пожалуйста. Мокрую.
와, 별 진짜 맑다. 왜? Never seen this many stars before. Difficult to see in Seoul.
Стало успешным. Мы же тоже когда-то бывало.
He's making this himself, not buying it, the made one already, because.
I don't know why. Should have bought.
Melting?
Oh. Yes. No, quickly. In there. Yeah, if you pull it, it's not gonna like pull apart. Those are all like this. I made
Yeah,
edits in the
looks
one.
like. Why do you cut this?
To make a ring. Solid. If you like pull on it, like nothing happens.
저기 볼록 나온 게 마감이 한 건가 보다. 저는 옆에서 디자인 작업 중이에요. What?
To find just additional.
He's making a hole.
You're looking for worms?
Really? In one, just... First jury, finished. Can you explain about this jury's strong point?
It's handmade and strong with a metal wire inside so it doesn't rip. Joints are soldered together. Like, yeah, no plastic. This one will also be stress tested. No, it's shut.
Polishing?
Yes, need to polish these ones.
And after polishing, everything is gone. When I buy bracelets sometimes outside, normally it's because of the gap is like getting bigger, and then like fell off. So this one,
gap.
You don't have to worry. It will be your good choice. Why? 그것도 몰라.
I know. Come on, 가. Carefully. Summer and sun. Two sun. Almost 20.
Too bright? 아, 힘들어. 구름이 빵빵한 10월 마지막 날입니다. 아, so many leaves.
So red. This tree.
I think it's prettier with the red roofs. Lonely guy left alone. 직접 만드신 거래. 삐삐, 안돼, 안돼. 오늘 할로윈이어가지고 애기들 놀러 오면은 준다고 그 문 두드리면 주는 거 있잖아요. 야, 일로 와. 관심 보이고. 여가 원래 5 형제인데 다 팔려가고 혼자 남아서 너무 외로운 거예요. 혼자 커버하시기가 너무 힘드셔가지고 한 마리만 남기셨는데. 고기가 너무 혼나. Why is it pink alone? Maybe they didn't have like enough light, white light. 무서워. Oh, Daniel, is it far away? Where are we? It's too far away.
I've been there before.
Here, green. 갑자기 무슨 더울 보여줄 게 있다고 숲속으로 데리고 왔는데 진짜 지릴 것 같아. 진짜 지금 화면에 보이는 것보다 훨씬 어두워요. Is it that way? What? Do we really have to go maybe next time? Danny? How can I not see it?
Very old, maybe 1,000 or so year old.
The stone? This?
Why does it say devil something?
Devil?
Yeah. Look at this mushroom.
Mushroom? 진짜 약간 외국 공포 영화에서 나올 것 같은. So what's the point of this stone? Why is it special?
Well, it's very old. Looks like they put it there, like even before Jesus, I think it says.
Before Jesus?
Yeah, 4,000 before Jesus.
How do they know?
Something with bones.
With bones? 제가 진짜 봤어. Okay, we checked. Let's go. Back.
Let's go over there.
No.
You know, it's also different for me. I was anxious so much and also guilty.
주얼리 삼색팔찌를 같이 찍어 오브제 사러 왔는데 마땅한 게 없어서 이 흰 배경에는 이거, 검정 배경에는 그거로 써야 될 것 같아. 별거 아닌데 없어. 이 통 오브제로 쓰고. 얘도 괜찮았을 것 같긴 한데 텍스처가 너무 많아서 그냥 흰색이었으면 여기다가 탁 걸면 되는데. 오늘의 야식. 이건 저희가 그냥 프로즌 푸드라고 부르는 건데 안에 생크림이랑 치즈랑 이렇게 통째로 다 얼려 들어가 있어서 그냥 봉다리 열고 끓이기만 하면 돼요. 근데 되게 맛있게 생겼죠. 알코올이랑 저는 술 잘 못 마셔서 이거 샀어요. 그리고 공포 영화를 하나 보려고 합니다.